In this video, I want to talk about service arbitrage.
This video is brought to you by Appy's Academy.
That you can do on Fiverr. All that is a fancy word for essentially selling a service for any amount and then actually not doing the service, but outsourcing the very same service to Fiverr freelancers for less money. So let's say you get paid $100, you hire somebody for $50, they deliver the work, your client is happy, you get to keep the difference. It's a very attractive looking model because it involves literally no work. And so a lot of people jump into it, or at least try to jump into it. But there are a couple of pitfalls I want to explain, which after you overcome those pitfalls, actually this becomes a viable strategy. First of all, people rush into this and they hire unproven freelancers who are cheap. Cheap can actually be very expensive because those freelancers usually do not such good work. They require a lot of communication. They can be junior. And so your clients might not be happy. Your clients might request a refund. You might not get a refund from your freelancer, or you might just get bad reviews, and it will be a total disaster, waste of time. So before you hire freelancers, before you get your clients, test your freelancers, create a good working relationship with your freelancer so that you know they're trustworthy, smart, good, do good work, and then you'll feel good about hiring them for jobs. So first, test the freelancer. Without that, it's very risky because once you do get projects, you'll have a deadline to complete them in, and so you can't go and start testing the freelancers then. You just won't have enough time. Second, you need to find a way to sell expensively, because think about it. If you, let's say, sell on Fiverr for $100, you don't get to keep the $100. You get to keep $80 of that, right? Fiverr takes 20%. So already your margins are cut. So you need to find a way to increase your revenue with extra upsells. These are things that we discuss in this course, like how to upsell extra things, how to get clients to pay more on Fiverr, but also you can look for clients off Fiverr who are maybe not trained to look for the bargain basement prices. And of course, after a while of doing a few such projects, you'll have some process optimization where you and your freelancer who actually does the work, they will do the work faster. You'll communicate with them better. You'll reuse some of the same code or designs that you used in previous projects. So actually, that's when you'll get to spend less time doing the job, or the freelancer spends less time doing the job. And that's where this arbitrage model begins to work. But in the beginning, it's challenging because you don't know the freelancer. You're going to have a hard time selling these services more expensively because a lot of clients, they do know that they can get it cheaper and you're sort of like extra costly. So in the beginning, it's hard, but if you get it worked out, then actually over time, this can be and is a viable strategy for a lot of people.